Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake the Buttermilk Raisin Loaf. Let's get started. You can use any market brand buttermilk or prepare some milk at room temperature. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice to the milk. Let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the homemade buttermilk is ready. Then add some sugar, yeast, one beaten egg, softened unsalted butter. Mix them well, then set aside. Some bread flour, a little salt, raisins and sultanas. I soaked them in red cooking wine overnight. Gradually add fluid into the dry ingredients. Mix them well until there's no loose flour and let it proof for 1 hour. One hour later, degas the dough. Grease the cling film with vegetable oil. Transfer the dough onto the cling film, then cover it. And let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the size is doubled. Transfer the dough to the flour table and degas. Roll it up tightly. Do the same thing again. Shape the dough into a roll, then flour the surface. Transfer the dough into the baking tin and let it rest for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven at 340 Fahrenheit. Bake this bread for 40 minutes. Time is up. The bread is ready. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So, this buttermilk raisin loaf cost me just over $4. I'm going to enjoy this raisin loaf with my homemade raspberry and rhubarb jam, and that will be my next video. Thanks for watching.